Welcome to Level 2 Writing. Today we're going to review the past progressive verb tense. When can you use the past progressive? Well, there are a number of different times. Number 1 says when an action is interrupted by another action. For example, while he was studying, his friend asked him a question. While is the first action, but the studying must stop because his friend asked a question. So the first action with the word while uses past progressive. In the second sentence, we have an action that happened at a specific time in the past. For example, the student was studying at 10 p.m. Since we're talking about 10 p.m. yesterday, and we know the time that it happened, we can use past progressive. And the last one, we can use past progressive when two actions happen at the same time in the past. For example, the baby was crying while the mother was cooking dinner. Was crying and was cooking happened at the same time, so we can use past progressive in both parts of the sentence. Now, how do you write past progressive? Well, for progressive, we've studied that you use the be verb plus the verb plus ing. Remember, the verb plus ing is the present participle. Now, if the subject of the past progressive sentence is I, he, she, or it, your be verb will be was. If the subject is we, you, or they, the be verb will be were. For example, let's look at these sentences. He was sleeping at 10 p.m. If you want to make that negative, add the word not after the word was. He wasn't sleeping at 10 p.m. You can make this into a question very easily by taking the first verb, was, and putting it before the subject. Was he sleeping at 10 p.m.? Since this is a yes-no question, we can answer yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. Now, if you want to change this yes-no question to an information question, just add the WH word. In this one, we used when to the yes-no question, but make sure that you take out the answer to the WH question. Now, when means at a specific time. For example, when he came home, I was sleeping. In the part of the sentence that uses when, you will have a simple past verb. While means during that time. And we would use the past progressive with while. So while I was sleeping, he came home. These two sentences mean the same thing, but we used when with the simple past or while with the past progressive. Thank you for watching this review lesson of past progressive.